It's the Matt and Aunie Early Bird Special on Talk 99.5 Birmingham.
Okay, so hey, we're very late on Facebook Live, and we're very low. I don't know.
There's a reason why. We've been busy. Yeah,
we've been busy. Look, we're going to be talking about a lot of serious things today, and you know, rightly so. It's serious times, but we also thought that maybe you two, all of you, could use a little joy in your life today, and for that purpose, we decided that we would bring back Christmas for no reason.
Back, baby!
That's what we're doing.
I missed Christmas in
Here's
this
Dumber.
lobby.
He's going to play Santa Claus. Oh my God, John! I would like to say that it wasn't planned.
That's the second time it's happened.
Okay, so we got to show you what else we got because we got to go. Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, only 2 minutes late. All right, so there's
luck,
John. John, good luck. I'll bring you a skirt tomorrow. Look, some good job.
Yeah.
Okay, and then Merry Christmas. You know, for you longtime listeners, Matt and Aunie and Talk 99.5, you know that we've for a long time had this lamp in the corner. Aunie, I want you to set up this shot for me if you don't mind. Just keep it right over there. You know.
Okay.
So we felt like for Christmas.
Yes.
We've had this leg lamp. I mean, it just stays over here.
Yeah.
But for Christmas, we thought.
Ta-da! Kicking it up a notch.
We're kicking it up a notch.
We got a leg up. No step too high for a high stepper. Look at that. All right, I think the show is probably starting. Oh, look at her. She's glorious. Okay, Andy's got to stop. Andy, sorry, babe.
So, we got that going on. So tune in, and right now.